This 1949 Royal Era typewriter is in excellent working condition. It's been fully refurbished and it is ready to type. The print on this is very dark and clear. This 1949 Royal Era is in really good condition. It types great. The keys on it look pretty good overall, but they do have some fogging underneath some of them. And some of them have some darker spots, like the question mark and the K has a spot on it under the glass. But it looks pretty good overall. The decals are a little bit faded. Platinum's in good shape, as are the feed rollers and feet. The light gray finish looks good. It has some blemishes and marks. Up here on the right side of the carriage, there's some bare spots. The paint's been chipped off. This back decal is a little bit faded also. This has the magic margin on the left and just a regular margin stop on the right. Magic margin is kind of nice. You just put the carriage wherever you want it and then hit the magic margin button and the stop jumps to where you currently are. Kind of handy. And the touch control is under the lid on this one. It's got a really nice, light and easy typing action. The reprinted user's manual. And the original case, which has been cleaned and is solid and it latches well. But it is ugly. The tweed material is worn off and the underneath is showing through. Whatever that material is, kind of a fiber material. The inside of it looks real nice. And it'll do its job protecting the typewriter. It's a 1949 Royal Era.